Hello guys, we are on channel developer. So in this video, we are going to see how to create tab layout using the tab row and the scrollable tab row. Before we dive into the code, I just want to remind you that please give it a big old thumbs up. It will help other developers find this awesome tutorial and elevate their apps to the next level. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the growing community of Android developers who are learning and creating amazing things with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. Alright, let's get started with this. For that purpose, first we need tabs to show. For showing the tabs, I'm going to create a data class, hold the data of the tabs. So tab data, this is the class, and in this class we are going to create the title of the tab, which we gonna show on each of the tabs, and then the description which we gonna show into the onto the screen whenever the particular title the tab select user selected. Then the image which I'm gonna show on the screen, obviously just like the description. Now we need to create a list of the tabs, so for that I'm just gonna copy paste. So these are the five items, and these are the five tabs I'm gonna show on the screen under the top app bar. Okay, now let's simple create a tab. How we gonna create that tab layout? Simple, you need to create a composable function. I'm gonna create it and name it as tab row example. Now simply whatever what you are gonna show to the tab inside the tab row. First we are going to show the tabs inside after the top app bar, and the top tab row basically consists of some tabs, and on click of each tab we're gonna show some particular screen, and for that purpose we need the view pager, horizontal view pager I'm gonna use in this particular one. Now let's create simple column, and I'm gonna make it as modifier equals to modifier dot fill max size. So it's gonna take the whole screen as the name suggests. Now the for creating the tab rows we just need tab row. This is the particular composable which we need to use for creating tabs. Now simple, the it contains simple some parameters, which is selected tab row index, selected tab index, particular whatever the tab you selected, it shows the, you need to provide the particular index into this. Then the modifier, then the container color you can change. You can change the content color, you can change the indicator also, you can change the divider, and you can change the tabs. Simple, the tabs you need to provide. And now this is the tab row, and this tab row basically are the fixed tabs to display all the tabs in a set simultaneously. They are the best for switching between related content quickly, such as between transportation methods in a map, to navigate between fixed tabs, tap on individual tab, or swipe left or right in the content area. Okay, now this is there is a second type of tab row also, which is scrollable tab row, and the scrollable tab row is basic label tab row. Yeah, this is the scrollable tab row, and what it does is basically it contains a row of tab and displays an indicator when a set out when you want your set of tabs to not fit on the particular screen. Instead you want them to scrollable. Okay, so like we have the in the Google Play Store, after the top app bar we have certain options like for you, top charts, other devices, kids categories, and that's what that tab row is basically scrollable, not neither not the fixed. Okay, so we are going to create both of them. Okay, first I'm gonna create a simple tab row. Ignore the selected tab index currently. Let's create h padding. Sorry, h padding is doesn't we don't need h padding inside the tab row, but we need that inside the scrollable tab row. Now we have the tab list, so just iterate it through index and tab data. Now just create a tab. Simple, selected, whether it is selected or not we need to provide the boolean, and then the on click, and then the selected content color, unselected content color you can provide, and you can provide the text. Simple, which you need to provide obviously. Okay, we don't need this. How we gonna get the selected tab index or something else? So for that purpose I'm gonna create a remember state for the pager state. So create a where pager state equals to remember pages state. Now here you need to pass initial page and the initial page offset. Obviously thing we need to opt in for. Now here you need to pass the size of the list which you want in the pager. So I'm gonna provide the list as tab list dot size. So let's provide the selected tab index. Whatever the selected page index is, basically the page state dot current page, and here if page state dot current page is equals to the index. That means we are on the selected text, and on click I just want our pager state dot animate scroll to page. Which page? The index page. And for that to use we need a scope, the coroutine scope. So for that purpose I'm gonna create a simple remember coroutine scope. Now launch, put this under this launch. Simple. Yeah, that's it, I guess. And now after this tab row I'm gonna put horizontal pager in which state equals to pager state, obviously. Then inside this horizontal pager I'm gonna use column modifier equals to modifier dot fill max width, and padding as 10 dp. Then vertical arrangement dot center, horizontal alignment dot center horizontally. Inside this simple create a icon and a text, just copy and paste. And here I'm gonna show the image, then title, then the description. The content description basically consists of title, and that's it. If I run this, actually let me run this and see how it's gonna look like. You can see this is okay. We don't see the title here. Why? Okay, we didn't provide the text, so you need to provide the text also. This consists the composable. So text, what is the text here? The tab data dot title. Now let's run it. Now you can see screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4, screen 5. It actually takes what we can say is the definite size for each tab. Okay, just calculate that width and then divide it by 5 or whatever the size it is gonna take that. Okay, now if we make it scrollable and run it, then you can see the difference here. You are gonna see the difference. Now you can see screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4, and then we can scroll. Now here you can see the space. So this is the edge padding. You can change as per your need. Let's put 0 dp and then see how it's gonna look like. It looks exactly attached to the screen. You can change it as much as you want. Like I can put 4 dp, then 5 dp, 10 dp, or 11 dp, or 18 dp, 220 dp. So you can make it as per your need. Yeah, I think you can also change the padding of the tab. So you can use the modifier here and modifier dot padding, and you can make padding as 10 dp or whatever you let me put. So you can see the padding increases and now it looks. So yeah, that's it for this video actually. And if you like this video, click like button. If you have something to share or tell or have a feedback, then comment it below. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. See you in the next one.